Page 1. Lesson 1, JAWS keystrokes. The following are some general JAWS shortcut keys that can be used with JAWS 16. Note, some of them may or may not work in older versions of JAWS. 8. To put keyboard help on off JAWS key and num row 1 2. To know the hotkey numpad 5. 3. To know the time JAWS key and F12. 4. To know the date JAWS key and F12 twice quickly. 5. To check the title bar JAWS key and T. 6. To check the status bar JAWS key and page down. 7. To get a list of the currently open Windows JAWS key and F10. 8. To get a list of options in the system tray JAWS key and F11. No. To get screen-sensitive help in any program JAWS key and F1. Thus, to get a list of Windows keystrokes in any program JAWS key and W. 11. To get a list of JAWS keystrokes in any program JAWS key and H. 12. To work in the virtual viewer standard reading keystrokes. 13. To come out of the virtual viewer escape. 14. To get JAWS specific help in a program JAWS key and F1 twice quickly to close it, press Alt and F4. 15. To activate the JAWS window anywhere JAWS key and J. 16. To temporarily unload JAWS at any time JAWS key and F4. 17. To silence JAWS control. 18. To go to the address bar Alt D or F4. 19. To read the path on the address bar JAWS key and A. 20. To bring up JAWS find control, JAWS key and F. 21. To activate the JAWS utilities menu anywhere JAWS key and F2 to close it, press the escape key. 22. To activate the JAWS configuration manager settings center anywhere JAWS key and 6 to close it, press Alt and F4 or the escape key. 23. To activate the JAWS keyboard manager JAWS key and 8 to close it, press Alt and F4. 24. To activate the JAWS dictionary manager anywhere JAWS key and D to close it, press Alt and F4. 25. To temporarily change the setting whether JAWS will say characters, words, both characters and words or none JAWS key and 2. 26. To temporarily change screen echo JAWS key and S. 27. To temporarily increase the rate at which JAWS speaks Alt, Control and page up. 28. To temporarily decrease the speed at which JAWS speaks Alt, Control and page down. 29. To permanently increase the rate at which JAWS speaks Alt, Control, Windows and page up. 30. To permanently decrease the speed at which JAWS speaks Alt, Control, Windows and page down. 31. During Read All, to temporarily reduce the speed of JAWS page down. 32. During Read All, to temporarily fasten the speed of JAWS page up. 33. During Read All, to skip one line forward right arrow right shift key. 34. During Read All, to skip one line behind left arrow left shift key. 35. To select a voice profile control, JAWS key and S. 36. To know the font color JAWS